My improper storage has compelled me to get the generator out of the box, and the seller had already broken the war reserve seal, so there isn't much to be said, but that's what it was. Right. So it was a MEP 15 Alpha. It's basically new out of the crate. We'll just do a walk around. It's either refurbished out of the crate or new. It's got the, what I believe is the old style tank, metal. I'll show you why here in a second. Well, I'll show you right now. This MEP has a new one, which is nylon. So the main thing about this MEP 25 Alpha is you got convenience plugs here, outlets, so you can run your power. Those don't look very good. I haven't ever fired it up. I don't know if it works, but strangely to me, it's got loads too, load terminals. These are grounds. So I wonder if those are 28 volts. Because this one, see, it doesn't have a convenience. It is exclusively 28 volts, but it tells you right there. But on the other one, it doesn't. So my guess is those are AC loads. Buddy Dan said back in the service that they mounted these on tires to help with the vibration. That's what this setup is. It's unverified yet, but of course it's basically right out of the crate. Got a little rust from the water. Now this tag tells you something. It's basically telling you what you need to do before you start it up. And the tag is on the pull start rope, which is wet, fortunately. That's how it was wrapped right there originally. It's a red tag. It's like, read me, read me. Chrysler. So where did I get these? I got these off of eBay. Not all at once. It's been a couple years. I've been a smart cookie. Just buying stuff as can. This here is a diesel 28 volt. This here is gasoline 120 volt AC. There you go. This one I believe is Gulf War vintage. I've yet to fire these up. I've got the grounding rod and stuff for them too. But it's time I need to get these going. Yeah, these are all surplus. OTAN is the French version of NATO. That's why it's backwards. I looked it up. So this runs off of different fuels. But it's 28 volt, and I'll show you. And so why do I have so many 28 volt systems? Well, my solar system is 28 volt, so I figure why not use all this? Why not use a standardized deal? And there's a big old lugs. So these are the equivalent of these over here on this gasoline powered 28 volt. You see? And these will go to a distribution box, which I don't have out here yet, but I will as I figure this out. So I'm going to go over just different things. I'll go over these tags in case they get lost one day and I need to look at this video. They're kind of like little hint tags that the seller put on here. It's really cool. Tells you what each thing does. I don't know how long these tags will last with being exposed to the elements, so I'm trying to get this generator shed a little bit more enclosed for winter. That's for that. There's a huge manual for this thing. It's like a phone book. So, bunch of dummy tags. So the U.S. military got rid of all their gasoline stuff. That's why they surplused so many gasoline generators. They all went to the NATO standard, which is diesel. And so, kind of escapes me what this is. But I'm just going to go over it real quick. The other one was a 25 alpha. MEP 25 alpha. This one's a MEP 25 alpha. What? Can they both be 25 alphas? That doesn't make sense because one is it says 25 alpha. MEP 15 alpha. So this one's a MEP 15 alpha, which is 120 volts alternating current AC. That is a MEP 25 alpha, which is DC only, DC 28 volts. So anyway, but other than that, they use the same motor, same engine, same rope pull start. This one's probably a reconditioning because they painted over the tab. But I still have to get all this crap off before I start it up. It's just like the other one. The gas tank is nylon. Looks like this tape leaked chemical all over everything. Now, word to the wise, with these old gasoline generators, you want to use pure gas. You don't want to use ethanol. Ethanol, there's a cork float in there, I've heard, and ethanol will make it swell and destroy your generator, besides all the other problems with ethanol gas. So you want to use pure gasoline in these. So we figured out This is a MEP 15 alpha. This is a MEP 25 alpha. What's this? I used to know. What does it say? Base is 28 volts, 2 kilowatt. I just can't think of it right now. I've been out of touch. Been studying too hard. My brain's blown. Some more tags. It's a Yamaha diesel, Japan quality. So yeah, let me cinch this up. So anyway, these diesel ones, they made a 2 kilowatt 28 volt DC, obviously right here in front of me. Another one is 120 volt AC. That's a really good thing if you can find one of those. A lot of people don't like the 28 volt DC because they can't use it right. I can, because I have like that solar system over there. We're gonna redo that, but that's 28 volt. So I figure the military had good reason to do 28 volt standardized. So I think maybe former military I was predisposed for that. So now they say you need a grounding rod for these. I highly recommend it because I've heard of people getting electrocuted and stuff. I've got one, just still haven't installed it. This is just done today, like minutes ago. So these are all set on tires to help with the vibration. If you don't have some kind of setup like this, they'll vibrate right off whatever you have set on. But yeah, that's it in a nutshell. So we can open this fuel tank, see what's up. It's not looking good. Whoa. I want that paint in a fuel can. We already did that one. This one. Why they would do this, I'm not sure. Ooh, that one looks dirty in there. It's got a dummy chain. It's nice. This one does too. This one has a dummy cord. It's good. So, hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough. Price paid, these are about $400. The MEP 15 alpha and the MEP 25 alpha, but they were new in the box or refurbished, old war stock. This one, it was about $800, and they were able to ship it UPS, believe it or not. So you can ship these UPS. I'm telling these to sellers. A lot of you sellers think you need to do freight. Nope, this will ship UPS once it's emptied of liquids. So, damn, is it not written on here what this is? MP, that stands for military police. It really does not tell you on there. I might just take marks a lot right on there, right there. This is a MEP, blah blah blah. Because my memory is bad, apparently. It's been blown wide open by too much studying for school. So yeah, I just thought I'd do an interesting walk around. There isn't enough material on YouTube about military generators. So hopefully as I found some more info. Look at that. What's on this one? Look at that. It's kind of an upgrade from this old style, right? I guess you wrap it around there and get it started that way. Here's what I was talking about. It's like a little hard to read. I can't even focus on that crap. There we go. Is it doing it? Okay. I wonder if that's on this one. Yeah, it is. Another view. Isn't that pretty? It's an old style. So anyway, hope you like this. This has been Military Industrial Museum. And I'll take you over here. These are some of the old canvas covers. These are incredibly expensive if you can find them. But my veteran buddy says I need to get more canvas preservative on these before they degrade. I bought them new. They're for a bigger generator, but you get what you can get. They block most of the water, but they sure didn't block the water that seeped into this one. You see? These desiccants are great. I think I'll just dry them out and use them if I can. See, originally these were sealed up in this foil, and then that was put in a box, and then the box was put in a wood crate, but the seller ditched the wood crate and just sent the box, I guess, to save weight or whatever. You see how that's packed? It was sealed up, war reserve, ready to be shipped anywhere. But anyway, after the Cold War, a lot of this crap just got surplus. And hopefully, if you're enterprising and kind of know what you're doing, you can take advantage. Alright, so let's end this. So anyways, Military Industrial Museum. I'm glad you could kind of go through this stuff with me and leave comments and stuff if you got any memories using this crap, or if you got experience, because it'll just help everybody else. So anyway, getting stuff organized around here finally. But stick with me, subscribe if you can, it helps me out. What do I mean by that? The more subscribers I got, the more money I get from YouTube, quite literally. So anyway, alright, back to getting stuff ready to go. Oh wait, no, what is this? What is this? What is this? This was an old dog kennel. I bought it a few years ago for a heavy duty dog. And those are pavers down there. They're from like Walmart. They're like $2 or $3 a piece. But them's the guys who sell these kennels. We're talking like 5 years of weathering. The only problem I've ever seen is this, a little bit of rust on the lock hatch. And they're really easy to put together, disassemble. $1,000 shipped. Big price, but check out their website. This is highly recommended. It's stood up to all kinds of crap. So anyway, we're gonna make it more enclosed, hopefully, and like that, and get ready for the winter.